Having 40 monitors isn't what I expect all of you to have. It is excessive, but I've been trading like this for the last 37 years. I started with about 10 monitors and then I went up to 15, 20. It doesn't make a difference how many monitors. I look at this room because I'm focusing on index futures like the S&P futures, the NASDAQ futures, ETFs, the spiders, the Russell, the diamonds, and I look at correlation studies. So a lot of it has to do with when my charts are open the way they are, I'm able to see things and then give you the information that you need. Again, the same charts I use, all my users have the identical same charts, but not everybody needs to have all these monitors up and running at one time. A lot of people just trade 2 or 3 stocks a day. Some people trade just the indexes like the S&P futures. I have all these charts open for a reason, so I'm the eyes for you, and I'm giving you all this information. Plus, I'm teaching you how to use my predictive analytics.